This ceramic toothpaste squeezer holds your favorite Marvis toothpaste flavor, and ensures not a drop is wasted. The metal turnkey squeezes toothpaste out of the tube from the bottom up, allowing complete control. Remove cap before first use. Place crimped end of Marvis tube between the tines of the key and turn. Replace cap. Top reviews from the United States. Must have. I love this dang thing so much. It works like a dream, makes keeping your toothpaste properly squeezed effortless, and looks attractive on the countertop, even if you're not using the already lovely Marvis tubes in it. I've taken to buying them as small gifts for people, because it's such a thing you never knew you needed, but don't ever want to be without once you have it.